In this video, we're going to learn how to use the setPrecision string manipulator in C++. The setPrecision string manipulator allows us to control the number of digits of a floating point value that will appear in an output stream. The first thing we'll do is include the iomanip library where setPrecision is defined. Then we'll make a double type variable called n, and we'll set it equal to 42.123456. Now to use setPrecision, we could say cout 5 : and then setPrecision 5. And then here we're going to output n, and then we'll have an n line. So I've got the 5 : here because I want to keep track of the effect of calling setPrecision with different numbers. So setPrecision is technically a function. It's a special type of function though that's built to work with this stream insertion operator. And we call these functions stream manipulators. And what it's going to do is make it so that this value here outputs with this many digits. So if we save and run this, we're going to get 42.123. And that's because setPrecision is going to make it so that we get 5 digits of this number here. And they'll be the 5 most important digits. So 42.123. Now we'll try calling setPrecision with 4, 3, 2, and 1. So we'll copy this and paste it. And we'll try 4, 3, 2, and 1. So 4, 3, 2, and 1. So if we save this and run it, we now get this. 42.12 in the case of 4, 42.1 in the case of 3, 42 in the case of 2, and in the case of 1, we get this scientific notation output, but it's essentially just the digit 4 at that point. So that's how setPrecision works on its own. It will give us that number of digits of the number, and it'll give the highest digits of the number. Often we'd like to output a number with a certain amount of decimal digits, so maybe 2 decimal digits in the case of money, for example. We can do that with setPrecision if we also use the string manipulator fixed. So the string manipulator fixed will make setPrecision output a specific number of digits after the decimal. So what it'll do is output an extra end line here to give some separation here. And here I'm going to say fixed before using setPrecision. And what this will do is make the setPrecision amount apply to the decimal digits of the number n. So in the case of 5 here, we're going to output 5 decimal digits of n. So if we save and run this, we now get here in our second version here, 42.1234, and then we get 6 here. So we got 5 decimal digits. If you add those together, this 6th digit here ends up getting rounded here. And we get 0.123446 instead of 5. But we get 5 digits. Same thing with 4 here. We get 4 decimal digits. We get 0.1235. With 3, we get 0.123. And with 2, we get 0.12. And with 1, we get 0.1. So by using fixed and setPrecision together, we can specify how many decimal digits to output. Fixed stands for fixed point notation. There's also a scientific notation we can use. So if we copy and paste this, we could replace fixed with scientific to see the difference. We'll also output an end line to separate this output as well. So we'll save and run this. And then here we see the scientific output. You notice though that the setPrecision works the same way. We get that many decimal digits of output. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So one more thing I want to show you is that when we use setPrecision, we're going to get that many decimal digits of output even if there's no values there beyond 0 at those digits. So for example, we'll say double N1 is equal to 34.2. And then double N2 is equal to 23.456. And then here we'll output N1 and we'll say fixed set precision 3. And then N1, N line. And then we'll do the same thing with N2. So we'll copy and paste this and we'll output N2. Now in the case of N1, we really only have one digit after the decimal. In the case of N2, we actually do have 3 digits after the decimal. But because we're using fixed and set precision, in the case of N1 here, we're actually going to get 3 decimal digits of output. So we save and run this, and we get 34.200 and 23.456. So because we use set precision 3, we get those digits output, even though they're set to 0 and they're not really providing any more information. This can actually be useful though if we're trying to format our output stream such that all numbers output with the same amount of decimal digits. So this is how we can use set precision in C++. Check out portfoliocourses.com, where we'll help you build a portfolio that will impress employers.